Hello student, in this video we are going to discuss constitution values multiple choice questions on Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This is your first unit, fifth topic. There are total 6 topics in first unit. This is fifth part. So Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who is the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Who is the current speaker of the Lok Sabha? Om Birla. Who has the power to amend the constitution? Parliament. Who has the power over the list of peers? Parliament. In the parliamentary system of India, what is the union cabinet collectively responsible for? Lok Sabha. Who has the power to remove the president of India through impeachment? Parliament. The parliament of India consists of dash bicameral. The Parliament of India consists of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. What is the maximum gap between two sessions? 6 months. What is the minimum age limit to become a member of Lok Sabha? 35 years. The speaker is elected by which member? Lok Sabha. Where are the money bills introduced? Only in Lok Sabha. Who has the rest of powers? Central government. Where is the sovereignty vested in India? Parliament. Which is the upper house of the parliament in India? Rajya Sabha. How many executive bodies are there in the parliament system? 3. How many members are there in Lok Sabha? 552. Which articles of the constitution deals with the central legislative? Article 79. What is the minimum number of the members required to hold a meeting of Lok Sabha? It is called as quorum. What is the union cabinet collectively responsible for? Lok Sabha. Who has the power to summon and dissolve Lok Sabha? President. The President of India consists of the Parliament of India consists of Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha and President. Members of Rajya Sabha, how many years is the term of office? 6 years. What is the quorum required to hold a session of the Lok Sabha? 1 of 10. What is the term of office to the State Legislative Assembly? 5 years. What is the State Legislative Council upper house? So these are the important questions comes under Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. We will meet in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.